Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy sales strategies with Shopify Plus, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin deploying effective sales strategies with Shopify Plus, start by understanding your target market. Conduct market research to identify customer preferences and behaviors. Next, develop a clear value proposition that speaks to your audience. Create a Shopify Plus account if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard and features available. Begin by customizing your store's design to align with your brand. Utilize Shopify's themes to select a visually appealing layout. Integrate high-quality images and engaging product descriptions to enhance your listings. After that, set up payment gateways to facilitate smooth transactions. Ensure to offer multiple payment options to cater to diverse customer preferences. Next, set up shipping options that are cost-effective and reliable. Consider free shipping thresholds to encourage larger carts. Now, utilize Shopify apps to enhance functionality. Explore apps for email marketing, customer relationship management, and inventory management. Once your store is ready, focus on creating traffic through digital marketing strategies. Use social media to promote your products and engage with potential customers. Implement search engine optimization to increase organic visibility on search engines. Consider running paid ad campaigns on platforms like Facebook and Google. As you drive traffic, monitor your analytics to understand customer behavior. Track sales data to identify which products are performing well and which are not. Adjust your sales strategies based on insights gained from analytics. Utilize upselling and cross-selling techniques to maximize average order value. Create bundles or offer discounts on complementary products to encourage additional purchases. Incorporate a loyalty program to encourage repeat business. Engage with customers post-purchase through follow-up emails or personalized offers. Continuously seek customer feedback to refine your offerings and improve the shopping experience. As your business grows, consider scaling your sales strategies further. Explore international markets by adding multiple languages and currencies to your store. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.